Hi everyone, so today I decided to make a Valentine's Day shirt, which will be this design. I am making it for a toddler, so I'm making it size 6. I'll link in the description where I purchased these vinyls. They are iron-on, so we're gonna start with the black vinyl. Always remember that when you're cutting heat transfer vinyl, the shiny side, which is this, the color side, goes flat on the mat. So we're gonna cut that. And put it up. Now I'm going to take it out. Now we're going to cut the red vinyl. Now we're going to take out the mat. Now I'm done cutting everything out. I'm going to close this, and there's my design. Now I'm going to keep that open. Let's push this back. Take off all the excess. Make sure you don't cut the design. I'm going to read the first part of my design. And I'm going to take out all the negative pieces. Just going to verify that there's no more. Oh, there's 2 more. There's the other O. And here's the other O. Here's my owl love. Put that to the side. And I'm going to cut out my owl as close as I possibly can to the design so I don't waste so much material. I'm going to weed it out. Another negative part. And another negative part. Almost done weeding it. Now I just need to take and remove the letters. And here's the always. Which is the owl's eyes. Pull that out. And there you go. There goes the owl's eyes. And then here is the beak. And I believe the little feet. So I am going to cut this a little bit further in, just because I could use this scrap for something else. Now I'm going to weed this part. And then I'm going to made this part, which is also a small piece. Now that's done. And now we're gonna get a shirt. So now I am going to take the moisture out of the shirt. And then I'm gonna take it and fold it. Make sure it's even. Make sure it's even. And grab the underarm. Put it back under the heat press. Make sure everything is even. And then I'm going to fold it again to find the center. I have the center of the shirt right there. Now that's going to help me put the design on there. I'm going to fold my design, see, non-sticky to non-sticky, to find the middle of my design. And what I'm evening out is the design, making sure that the two letters are stuck together. That's how I find the middle. And I'm gonna put it on my shirt. And I always want to put it 2-3 fingers below the collar. And it's even. And I can press on it. Since I'm doing a few layers, I'm only gonna press it for a few seconds. And then I can peel it right off. Now I'm gonna put the owl's face. Put my owl in there. 2 or 3 seconds. And I can peel off. Now I'm going to put the owl's eyes, the owl's feet. I'm gonna put it for 2-3 seconds and peel. Give it 2 or 3 seconds. Peel. Those are the owl's eyes. And the last thing to put in is the beak. There. And peel that off and give it the full 15 seconds. And then I always like to flip it so the adhesive adheres to the shirt in the back. 15 seconds. So I totally forgot all about the owl's eyes. They're so tiny. I forgot. 4 owls. 5 owls. We're gonna put those on now. 3 seconds. And give it the 15 seconds. And the shirt is done. Here goes the owl shirt. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to watch more videos of me making shirts, drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn how to make shirts, or you have any questions on a specific thing you would like to know how to make, let me know in the comments. Thank you.